everybody came to see me. Oh, look at the dude. You wanna say hi to the camera? No? You just leaving? What? Okay, so America's birthday is coming up in like 4-ish days, which means my family's coming into town, which means I'm gonna have to drive everybody on the boat. And I haven't driven the boat since last boat season. I'm probably gonna kill us all because I don't know what I'm doing. That's them. The camera can't see him. You're too far away. Let me zoom in. There he is.
Body weight?
Matthew almost killed me.
Cameron, his body weight is supposed to have like 67 milligrams of caffeine.
What's he been getting?
I give him about 300 sometimes. And
That's why you'll have a heart attack.
I'm supposed to have
I'm not gonna have a heart attack. Brand of helicopter that is, but if y'all want to send me a free one, that'd be kind of lit. Energy. If you live in the Charlotte area, where is it at? That's where you get all your power from.
So this is the captain of the boat. Huzzah! And this is Square Titties. King! Ha-ha!
I don't even know if I can see it on camera. Oh, that's disgusting! Wait, dude, get your pose again. Fun fact, that's Michael Jordan's house. Woo! Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Love you. Bye. Bye. Ah, copyright. Man, I will tell you guys what, there is no better motivation. Oh, I just drove into the grass. Now you can't even tell. Your grass looks spectacular. But no, there's no better motivation on this planet. Other than like, you know, doing something that you love and that fulfills you, I guess, all that stupid shit. But like going out on that water and looking dead into the eyes of vanity and consumerism, seeing massive mansions fueled by the power of greed. I love it. I want one. I want one for myself one day. But having said all that, I think I'm safe. I don't think we're gonna kill anyone when my family comes down, which is fantastic. Oh, bugs. If you are new to the vlogs, which this is day 16 or 17, so everybody's quite literally new. Every Tuesday and Thursday, I go and climb at the Gimnasio, the climbing gym here, Cliffhanger. Shout out Cliffhangers if you live in the Charlotte area. Sound was off, there you go. Woohoo, what's up? So I'm really bad at playing with rocks, but all these people are much better than me. So we're gonna watch them play with rocks. Sounds on, let's see.
Merci beaucoup.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! All right, Liz, your turn. Get up there.
Just try it. Just send it.
Send it. All right, Jake, send it. Send it. My Boulder dad.
What's up, kids?
Boulder dad's good at climbing rocks. Are you asleep? So despite how long I've been doing this, I still have never got the balls to climb up this massive thing. It's appropriately named the Monster Wall. However, that guy right there, he's gonna do it because he's big climber, man, and he does big climber things. All right, fam, what's the game plan? What do we got going on here?
So, we're gonna do this.
We're gonna do this?
Lovely 511 minus.
511 minus.
His lovely girlfriend.
fuck that. Bingo! You want me to go up there?
I don't care.
I'll do that, hold up. I gotta get a better vantage point. My man is getting too high. Yay, go Casey!
Sucked.
That looked like it hurt.
No, it was fun.
Love whips?
I love whips.
And chains?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. 100%.
100%.
100%.
100% whips, maybe 50% chains. Or maybe both, I don't know. Somebody's here.
The second time you've left your glasses.
It probably won't be the last either. Haha! Thank you so much.